Hi, today let's speak about the effective methods of organizing food in the fridge. An organized fridge saves time. It will be easier for you to find items quickly if you have an organized fridge. Also, if your food is visible, it's quicker for you to take stock of what you have so you don't get halfway through a recipe before realizing you're out of some key ingredients and need to run to the store. A fridge can be organized in different ways, but here are the basics. The top shelf and door tend to be the warmest zones, while the middle and bottom shelves get progressively cooler. So, you should keep condiments in the door, dairy products, eggs and spreads on the upper shelves, meat and milk on the lowest shelf, and fruits and vegetables in the drawers. In an Indian kitchen, the ideal way to keep your fridge organized is keep the fridge 30% empty. Go through the contents of the fridge before your weekly shopping. Keep fruits and vegetables separately. Make maximum use of the vertical space available. Use baskets and transparent containers to store your food. Things that need no cooking to be safe to eat, like cooked foods or usable leftovers, should be placed at the top. Then everything else can be organized downwards depending on the temperature the particular food needs to be cooked to. Foods needing to be cooked to the highest temperatures, like chicken, should be kept at the bottom. It is important to avoid clutter in the refrigerator. If the fridge is cluttered, it means having to shuffle the food around when you are trying to eat or cook, which also means food languishing in the fridge because you can't see it. And eventually, fridge clutter results in having to throw out perished food, which is not pleasant. Form a system designed to maintain order, which should include regularly checking use-by dates and wiping down surfaces. If your family has the habit of only reaching for the freshest ingredients or snacks, consider creating an Eat Me First shelf and ask them not to open new packets unless that shelf is empty. Organizing a refrigerator is an ongoing battle in most households. At some time or the other, we are all been guilty of getting home exhausted from a big shopping expedition and just cramming everything into the fridge. Even when groceries are delivered to our homes, putting them away into the refrigerator is generally done in a hurry with a million other more demanding tasks requiring our attention. Having a well-organized refrigerator will not only make everything easier to find, but it also keeps food fresher, reduces waste, and saves money. It will also result in speedier meal preparation. You may even be inspired to create more interesting dishes rather than grabbing the first items that come to hand. At the very least, a neatly organized refrigerator will help to reduce the times you automatically buy more cheese or butter only to discover there are 3 blocks already in stock. Fridge care and maintenance involves checking the seal occasionally to ensure proper sealing so that the cool air does not escape. Defrosting and cleaning the freezer regularly. Safeguarding your small children by keeping freezers locked. Wiping clean any exposed condenser coils regularly to ensure proper air circulation. Keeping the temperature constant to keep food from spoiling. A fridge needs to be cleaned regularly because a dirty fridge can be a breeding ground for mold and bacteria like Salmonella. Organizing a refrigerator is best done when you have at least an hour or 2 to spare. Alternatively, commit to tackling one shelf a week until everything is intuitively arranged according to ideal temperature, convenience, and visibility. The best way to organize your fridge is to organize food in use by date. That is, put away your groceries in date order with the shortest date in front and the longer dates at the back from when you have bought them. Rotate everything every couple of days. Label all leftovers with the date they were stored. Store food according to the temperature they need to be cooked at. Store things that don't need cooking on the upper shelves. Dairy items and snacks in the middle shelves. And raw food like meat and fish in the bottom shelves. Don't overload your fridge. Store fruits and vegetables in the drawers separately. Doors are the warmest storage point, so they are best for storing jams, chutneys, and long life juices. Stack bottles and cans in the bottom shelves. Some foods have strong odors. Take care to wrap and seal such foods before storing them or put them in boxes. Use transparent containers to store different food items. This keeps the food fresh, and you can also easily see if the food is spoiling. And most important, clean your fridge regularly. Bye.